Well, just in case you missed any of tonight's performances, you know I've got you. Let's take a look at this recap.
Somewhere out there for me. The Lord is blessing me right now. The Lord is blessing me right now. The Lord is blessing me right now.
A sweet, sweet girl is up and get them. The one drop deep on a rhythm. I you with them back with a different setting. God divided the light from the darkness. The light he called day, and the darkness he called night. One thing we know, say she gonna miss. Watch out for this, she go comfy. No we not miss number one on the list. Watch out for this, she go comfy.